humbling and awesome. Give me the present! There you go. Double wrapping paper? Double wrapping? Okay, cool. Yeah. Double mechanics. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah!
Look on the back and see what you can make with it.
I can't open this because it's awesome!
There's like a robot or something.
Get me this. Oh my god! Yay! Oh god! Yay! This is so sweet! Thank you, Dad! Yeah! Yes, this is awesome! So awesome!
Does it fit? Does it fit?
I don't know. Dad, does it come with batteries? Does it come with batteries?
I think we gotta get some batteries.
Wow, batteries are yay! It fits sort of, kind of.
Kind of, sort of. Is it too
Sort of.
too small or is it?
It needs a little large.
Huh?
8. It's a little large. That needs 8 AA and 1 9-volt.